swag, ridiculous, yeah, ridiculous. Money in the brown paper bag, ridiculous. Swag, ridiculous, yeah, ridiculous. Money in the brown paper bag, ridiculous. Swag.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. So today, excuse my messy room, I'm about to embark on a walk. I just soaked the hair down. Haven't, again, done anything special with it, but I wanted it a little curlier. So so I wet it down and put some leave-in. Still haven't figured out what to do with it because, I'm not a hair person. Anyway, so I did retire last year. Well, I retired this year and I moved to Panama City, Panama. And in that last year before retirement, there was a lot of stress. So I did put on a little bit of weight. So we do walk every day. I try to get about 12,000 steps in. So I'm gonna try to walk with this hair. It feels heavy to me. I'm not a big sewing person. I've only done it a few times in my life. And I also get hot very easily. So this will be interesting. Stay tuned. Bye. Just thought I'd throw in some Panama footage for y'all, show you where I have moved to. I am a city girl, so it is the city, but I also get that great water view, which is awesome. And down there is the Cinta Costera, where I take my walks. Actually, I walk through the city, but I can't show you because it's in back of me. And over there in the distance, covered by clouds currently, is the Panama Canal.